Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol IMNP. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping outward levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I wanted to quickly go over this one because, I didn't cover this one yesterday, but there was no doubt about it that yesterday the price made a really nice move. I mean, when you consider where the price started out yesterday, somewhere right down around there, and then ultimately the price ran all the way up there and closed, give or take, right around the 65-cent mark. I mean, I'm assuming I state the obvious when I say that, when the price started off there and then ended up around there, that was a very, very nice move. But that did lead into today with the big question, all right, but was there any sort of true power behind this price movement, or is that just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce? Well, today we got our answer, and that was a total dead cat bounce move. So yeah, yesterday's move was nice, no doubt about it, but was there any genuine power behind it? Absolutely not. Now, what gives me the right to call that a dead cat bounce? Well, let's just kind of go over where the price was in regards to before the price made the big upwards move, and that was essentially trapped down here below this 61 cent mark. I mean, if you go through the history of the chart, you can see 61 cents acted as resistance a bunch of times there. Resistance, you get this moral of the story. And then right here, that's where the price actually broke above it, and then from there continued on. You look now where the price is, and it's right here. Why does that matter? Well, when you go back now through the history of the chart, you can see that basically the price is right back inside of that range where it was before the price breakout even happened. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements with genuine strength are not going to go back to where they were. They're going to make progress forward. And in this case, quote unquote, back to where it was is 61 cents or below, because 61 cents, as I've already illustrated, was that breakout point. So now the price is literally right back into the range that it just broke out of. And again, that is not a sign of true strength. Whereas had the price come down here and done something like this today, where it decided to actually bounce around on top of 61 before starting to work its way back upwards, well, at that point in time, you'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have this set down there. And if you picture these as stair steps, the stair steps would still be going in the upwards direction. However, that was not the case. The price fell back below it. So the price is literally right back inside of that range that it had previously broken out of. So another way you could kind of summarize the chart, back to the drawing board, because I'm not saying the bulls can never make a good move again, but as far as yesterday's move, yeah, back to the drawing board, because that move didn't have any sort of true power behind it. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.